Hey everybody, and me and you. I've been doing some music. Had a visitor today. Bit of a guitarist. So we just got down to it. Recorded. Nice little song. Called it. His name is Konrad. So we called it Konrad. Yeah. In the rain. In the rain. In the beautiful rain. Hello, girl. Yay! Happy doggy. Yeah. Oh yeah, happy? I just made dinner after all that. Most amazing meal, haha, all you wowzers. I'm a boomer, all vegetarian. Just tastes so good. Tomato, bit of Italian. Tomato, beans. Shaved potato and shaved carrot, spaghetti, onions. Waiting to hear the dogs howl. Oh, there it is. Dogs are howling. This is my friend's house, Alan. My mate Alan. He inspired me so much here. My grandkids, my granddaughter, Trinity, my daughter-in-law, her ex who passed away, Alan. Oh, there you go. That was it. That'll do anyway. The dog park, trying to get the dogs to howl. Oh, come on, howl, doggy, too quiet. Howl, come on, howl. My harmonicas. Time. Yum. You like that? Yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, you're happy now? Happy now? Wow, 5-minute song. Too long. Version, huh? Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Ha ha ha. Awesome. Recorded. Recorded. Cool stuff. That'll be a hit one day.